Hey guys, it's RPF Garage here. Well, yesterday we had all this strip. Now we just got to do the bumper. The back bumper, it looks like this mirror left. And the front bumper and grill. So, and then afterwards I'm just going to, I guess, go over it real quick with some Windex just to give her a nice good old cleaning. So that way I don't push any of the dirt into, well, the paint. So let's see, why is that so zoomed in? Yeah, so I don't know how we're going to get around the holes in the bumper, but we'll get her done. Hopefully sand off the rest of this overspray. And I don't want to fill these holes, like weld them, but I guess I could weld that. Just TIG weld it real quick. And actually, I'm pretty sure it's this one and this one that I use. I don't know why these two holes are here. Actually, this one and this one, not this one. So fill those two holes. Yeah, I'll go ahead and, wow, that's a little bit wonky. I'll go ahead and I'll pick up the camera once we get it nice and cleaned and start to sand it down. So, yeah. Alright, so we got the car alright clean. I mean, for us not being able to use water, we used Windex just because it's going to be a little bit easier. I mean, I'm not really not painting it yet. I'm just trying to sand down these holes and all this stuff. And I gotta, like I said, I'm gonna go grab some Bondo and glaze putty to fill this in, because like I said, you could just sit there and do that and you can feel it going up and down. I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but yeah, it's annoying, and I have a lot of Bondo to do on this yet, a lot. So like the door and the roof and right here, so got a lot of work to do on this yet, but once she's done, it'll look nice. These are 10.5 wide, so I mean, it's tucking pretty good. But yeah, I will turn the camera on and off when we actually start sanding. Looks like she's starting on the lower portion here, peeling it off. So you having fun?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So yep. All right. Well, I'll pick the camera up when we get sanded. So. Alright, so I've been sanding for about, what would you say, 35 minutes or so?
Yeah.
So, she's on this side, getting the lines. Still got a little bit more to do, but since I'm going over these holes with Bondo, should cover up a lot of this. Watch out. Sanded this side down, well, decently. You could tell just the contrast between the door and the fender, how white that is now since we've been sanding. Start taping it up and seeing where we could go from there. But
yeah, let's switch sides now.
Yeah, let's do right here. Huh? Yeah. There you go. Hey,
yeah?
I opened it, ding dong, and you pushed it back.
Sorry. No, that's what you're doing.
Sand that spot right there too. Yeah. So, it's going pretty good. Like I said, this needs to be filled again. It's not too bad. My trunk or my wing will set on top of it, but I don't know, I kind of want it to look, you know, somewhat decent. So I'm gonna take the hood off, make sure that doesn't get scraped. And yeah, then we got to do the bumpers and that mirror, and then Okay, so now we're about, what would you say, an hour and a half into it? Yeah. So, hour and a half into it, I got the roof, as you guys seen in time lapse. Hopefully everything that needed to be sanded. So, coming out all right. I mean, you can't feel none of this, so like at all. Did you go over this right here? Yeah, you did. I'll just fill that with Bondo.
Yeah.
So we did right here because right here, you know how a lot of cars are. That needs to be sanded a little bit more. There's a little bit of a running spot right there. So I did right here to where you couldn't really even feel anything. Did the roof, as I just said, a little bit down here, the back of the mirror, the door. Did you do the door on that side?
Yeah.
You did?
A little bit. I
So,
was trying to get the waves out of the door.
yeah, it's going pretty smooth. She got the gate, the gas gate, pretty good. Flap, whatever you want to call it. Right here, we need to sand a little bit better. Like just take and, you see what I did over on that side?
Oh yeah,
Just
I
do
don't
it
think I
right
covered
here.
most of that part either.
Yeah, because you can feel
Yeah, I don't
right
think
here.
I did. I think I just went to the lines and that's about it.
Yeah. It actually feels better than what it was.
Yeah. Sadly.
Yeah, so we're making progress. Like I said, it's Easter, so nowhere is going to be open. So I need to get the glaze putty. I need to get the, what is that? The Bondo. I'm wondering if I should just get like the, not sure what it's called. It's like fiberglass. It's Bondo paper or something like that. I do want to see if I can't fill these holes first before I use Bondo, because at some point over the course of time it's going to probably push in and crack, and then these holes will come back. So I want to take my TIG welder and just hit all these holes a little bit just to give it some backing to the putty. So like I said, I'll go grab my wing right now, put it on there. It's probably not even gonna set because yeah, it's not gonna set at all. Hey babe, come hold this real quick. Yeah, so these sides obviously are gonna be the same color as the car. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a gray. So but the centerpiece right here is carbon fiber, so I'm not touching that. That's gonna stay like that. So, but yeah, we got two booties, one here and one here. This shop used to be actually a semi truck mechanic building, so there's still oil and trash and everything. Oh, it's not a factory bumper. Huh. Maybe I should go do that onto this bumper. That mirror too needs to be done. At least you have a quick release bumper on that side instead of me. I don't have quick release. But yeah, I'll go ahead and I'll pick up the camera once we get the bumpers done, and I'll let you guys see the whole car. So, alright. I legitimately have been spending, hold on, let me clean you off. Been spending 25 minutes, right? On this bumper, and I got to right here. You would not believe how difficult it is to take this Yeah, seeing just tires. Mirror yet, but we've been occupied with the bumpers and stuff, so a lot of work. A lot of work gone into this. Who would have thought putting this much time and effort into a 240? I mean, I think it actually kind of looks baller being white. Like, I think this car does look pretty mean white, don't you say? Wouldn't you say?
I
But, alright, we're going to keep going. I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, so, I finished the back bumper. Did a little bit more sanding, but Kenzie got, it's about right there. Let's see. Yeah, this was not. This wasn't easy. Yeah, it's still like, yeah. So, and right under there wasn't so easy either. Paint actually is like sandpaper, so. Also, there's, I don't know if you guys could see that, all that spidering and that cracking and stuff. Gonna have to sand the shit out of that because it's just, I don't know, it's bad. I started sanding a little bit to see if I could pull it out. That's just me sanding a little bit. So, it's coming along. It's a lot of work, man. A lot of work. Like, a lot. Because most of this plasti dip, it's like when he was spraying it, it was all uneven. So he'd spray it and then maybe pull away or something. I don't know. It's just all of it's not really even. Yeah, it's this car is a lot of work, a lot more than I was anticipating. As far as like, I was like, yeah, you know, maybe a day or two pulling the peeling the plasti dip off, and then the rest of it's gonna be all fun and games. But no, car stuff is never like that. It's always hard. So I'm gonna go ahead, and it's getting a little bit late here. I think it's like 5:30 or so, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and finish up the front bumper here. I gotta get more sandpaper. I don't have enough, and maybe an orbital sander. I don't know. All right, so we finished the front bumper, a little grill piece, and that took legitimately like 2 hours. Not even kidding. Like, it's almost dark. So we got the bumper, front bumper done. That little grill piece right here, which I had to sand because it was paper thin. So
yeah, it's now almost 8 o'clock.
Jesus. Yeah. So we got the front bumper done. So, yeah. But the car's coming along, almost done. Like, ooh, almost done, man. Rear bumper's done. Car's starting to look a lot better. I mean, you know, aside from the rest of it, I think it would actually be pretty cool looking if it was just black, or if it was just white, like my fenders and everything white. But yeah, if you like the video, give it a like. If you want to subscribe to see more, then go ahead and do that. But car's coming along pretty good. Just have, man, maybe 3 or 4 more days just to, I want the car, I don't want to repaint. Like, I'll repaint it different color, but I don't want to repaint it because of some bull crap reason. I just want the car completely good. It's smooth, everything. So, but yeah. So we're gonna do a little bit more tomorrow, and that should be pretty much it until I get the Bondo and I Bondo it and glaze putty and stuff. But yeah, that's basically it. Peace.